Hello everyone, Anton here
And Anastasia.
and our little girls, and today we are unboxing another
Additional Christmas
care,
gift.
care package from
Netherlands from our supporter Ruud.
So let's see. I'm sorry for the dogs, we didn't put them here, they just came here. Oh! This stuff is amazing.
Wow.
This is like a little
Cookies.
like a little oatmeal cookies, but just a tiny one. And this is like a little truffle ones. We love them. They are we eat them, like we gobble them like. So apparently our cries of happiness were heard and we got a lot more of them.
Yeah. Also we have. Oh, this is so sweet.
And we have a puppy Lego.
Nice. What is this?
I'm not sure what it is.
Oh wow, this is like recipes or I don't know. Thank you so much.